Today we have the 2022 Toyota Corolla Altis GRS, and this is the key fob right here, smart key. Let's go ahead and start this car. Nice TFT display right there, a 7-inch TFT display. This is not your normal Corolla Altis. This has a GRS bits inside and outside. Now, before we go to the interior features of this car, let's go ahead and walk outside and show you the exterior feature of this wonderful car. This is a pearl white color 225/45 R17s GRS side skirts. Blacked out side mirrors with turn indicators, chrome handles. Look at the front fascia of this car. This is a wonderful, gorgeous car. Look at it. Look at the aerodynamics of this car. Wow. This is a super white, or I mean pearl white. Wow. I like the GRS design of this Corolla Altis. It has honeycomb grille bumper with the GRS design bumper right there, and a blacked out grille with that Toyota gloss black badge right there. LED DRLs with the projector LED headlights. Sobrang ganda sa araw, and when you look at it, it's like a Camry. I like how the aerodynamics of this car is. Of course, this is a sedan. Let's go ahead and look at the back. Showing you at the back, it has a GR Sport badge right here with that chrome design right there, and GRS rear bumpers with diffusers. Let's check the trunk here. Fairly decent amount of space at the rear. And wow, this is not your typical donut tire. This is the same GRS wheels right there. I like the rear design of this Corolla Altis GRS. 50 liters of tank capacity. Let's look at the back and show you. Hard plastic materials here, including here, soft touch materials right here, and soft touch materials right here para sa patungan sa elbows mo. And then I have a decent amount of space here. I'm 5'7", so I have, and headroom is decent. I have about like this of amount of space. It also has leather type of material with the center armrest, 2 cup holders. I'm sitting comfortably here at the back. Center tunnel is minimal, okay naman siya. It has 2 air vents here at the back. Doesn't have a charger right here, and space right here to put things. Okay, let's go out and check out the front. Soft touch materials here. Soft touch materials here with that nice red accent here. and the piano black plastic right here, showing you the inside of this 2022 Toyota Corolla Altis GRS. The interior dashboard is similar to the Corolla Altis V. The difference here is the steering wheel doesn't have the red stitching right there, but this is a leather type of material. And also the difference from the V is we got a leather or GRS front and passenger seat here with that GR logo right there with this red stitching. Center armrests, nice cushion right there. It has 12 volts power outlet, minimal space right here, 2 cup holders, electronic parking brakes, auto hold function. Manual mode, traction control off, space right here for your phone. This is an automatic, dual zone automatic climate control. I like the design here for the infotainment system, 8-inch by the way, with the wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Auxiliary Bluetooth. This is a soft touch material dito sa dashboard niya, and at sa taas soft touch materials din. I like the steering feel. It has controls with your phone, audio, volume, voice control, cruise control, adaptive, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and the modes. The 7-inch TFT display is pretty nice. It's got a sporty look in it, and I like the blue contrast of this 7-inch TFT display. It has your tachometer, digital speedometer, and this is tilt and telescopic. It has a paddle shifters here for your spirited driving. The nice touch right there, you can see that it has push start and stop GRS button right there. Very nice touch. Automatic headlights, I believe automatic rain sensors. It has Toyota safety sense, including the forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and all the Toyota safety sense features of this car. By the way, this is a 1.6 liter gasoline engine, 4-cylinder, produces 120 horsepower with 153 Newton meters of torque. Made it to a CVT for a smooth acceleration. So nice amount of visibility right here. I have enough headrest here, sitting comfortably here sa lugar na to. And the seat here is automatic, 10-way power adjustable. Passenger is manual. Piano black plastic here. Let's go ahead and check the engine of this car. Ang init. Oh my god, sorry. You can see an exposed engine right here from a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder. This produces 120 horsepower, 153 Newton meters of torque. tahimik siya, no? So this is a non-hybrid, guys. Let's go ahead and take this gorgeous for a test drive. It has the GR carpet right here. Nice touch right there. Alrighty. Again, guys, this is a CVT. All right, I can say that the power is somehow delay, but kapag nakuha niya na yung momentum niya, it gets right there. Steering feel is light. The brakes are soft. And then let me tell you guys about the fuel economy of this car. In the city, this can give you around 13, and then in the highway it can get you about 16. NVH is okay. I do not hear unwanted noise. By the way, not to mention, this has a GRS suspension nga pala, guys. Since this is a GRS, it has McPherson strut in the front and then double wishbone at the back. Both are GRS. Alrighty. Nice acceleration right there. Aggressive siya. Very sporty yung kanyang driving feel. You can go ahead and daily drive this car and get a huge fuel economy. Yung material na ginamit dito is hard plastic na, but it feels solid. All right. I feel comfortable here dito sa GRS seat na to, and also has a lumbar support. Alright, so here matatry natin yung medyo bumpy road, no? And let's see if we will hear some unwanted noise sa dashboard or any kind of noise. Okay. Alright, I think the GRS suspension handled it well. Overall, I like how this drives. It's very sporty. It has a sleek design outside. No, napaka-pogi niya. And then overall, I can say na good deal ito. And special thanks and shout out to Gozun Cars. If you need the quality used cars, they have their website www.gozuncars.com, or simply go to their Facebook page, Gozun Cars, or visit their shop here in San Fernando, Pampanga. You can get this 2022 Toyota Corolla Altis GRS for under 1,100,000 Philippine pesos. What do you think about this 2022 Toyota Corolla Altis GRS? Let's go ahead and take a look. Once again, the outside and exterior look of this Toyota Corolla Altis GRS. Don't forget to hit the like and comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, because we create these POV videos just for you guys. Shout out to Stephen Kiambao, my brother from Dimole. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. That's it for today.